How to fix WoW Low FPS on high-end PC. 1. Some basic tips include, completely update or download game data that's available. Update your system. Play WoW as admin. Play the WoW game in its compatibility mode. Check then improve your internet connection if possible. Clear current cache and temporary files. Disable any active overclocking. Two. Update device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Modify your in-game graphics settings. See details below. Display mode, full screen. Resolution scale, 100%. Texture resolution, fair or, decide accordingly. View distance option, try a higher value. Environment detail and ground clutter options, try a higher value. Shadow quality, low, particle density, low, and liquid detail, fair. Sound shafts, off. SSAO, low. Depth of field and outline mode options, off. Enable raid and battleground settings option, on. 4. Edit your graphics card settings, allow the WoW app to use your high-performance GPU. 5. Turn off VSync. 6. Disable add-ons in WoW. 7. Set high priority for WoW in Task Manager. 8. Terminate background apps.